Hi there, and welcome back to MegaFactory. I bet practically every one of us has savored that satisfying crunch of a premium almond chocolate ice cream bar. It's the ultimate treat, isn't it? But amidst that deliciousness, have you ever asked yourself, how on earth do they produce these by the millions without melting? Well, get ready, because today we're unlocking the doors to the world's largest almond chocolate ice cream factory to see exactly how the magic happens. Make sure you stick around until the very last second, because the engineering we're about to uncover is absolutely mind-blowing. And trust me, you do not want to miss this journey. It starts right here. Every morning, these massive, gleaming stainless steel tankers roll into the bay, carrying the absolute freshest milk from the farm. Watch that connection point. Completely automated for pure hygiene. And there it flows, a rich white river rushing through the sight glass, kicking off the process. But milk needs a partner. We are talking about thousands of liters of thick, heavy cream filling these vats until they're brimming. Precision sensors track every degree of temperature. Then look at the sugar cascading down like a sweet waterfall. It all crashes together in the central tank, swirling into a massive, creamy vortex. Inside, that giant blade never stops spinning, blending every crystal of sugar into the dairy mix. It's blasted through high-pressure filters to catch even the tiniest speck. Now, the base rests in this row of towering stainless steel giants before traveling through the floor pipes to the next stage. Things are heating up. The mix snakes through these heat exchangers, pasteurizing everything to keep it safe. Then the real heavy lifting happens. Those powerful pistons smash the fat molecules apart, and if you looked close up, you'd see the texture transforming into something incredibly smooth and uniform. But just as quickly, we chill it right back down, condensing the mix instantly. It flows into these aging tanks. This rest period is crucial. The blades turn slowly for 4 hours to stop separation. And here comes the magic touch, a shot of pure, natural vanilla injected right into the heart of the batch. See that color shift? It turns from stark white to a beautiful, creamy ivory. A robotic valve opens for a quick quality check. Look at that viscosity. It is thick, rich, and perfectly consistent. A high-pressure pump kicks in, sending this liquid gold straight off to the freezing line. Now let's get some crunch. Mountains of raw almonds are poured into the hopper, ready for a makeover. They dance across these vibrating screens to separate the best from the rest, then take a high-pressure shower to wash off any dust before entering the main event. Into the roasting drum they go. Inside, they tumble in the heat until they turn that perfect golden brown. You can almost imagine the smell as they cool down on the conveyor. Then, high-speed blades chop them up, turning whole nuts into those signature chunky bites we love. Quality is everything here. Smart cameras watch the stream, instantly kicking out any burnt or bad pieces. What is left is a cascade of crispy, uniform almond goodness. They're collected in the hopper and whisked away on a covered belt, heading straight to meet the chocolate. Back to the ice cream. The freezer churns the mix, pushing out an endless soft ribbon of vanilla. Snip, snip, razor-sharp blades slice the blocks, and the wooden sticks are punched in faster than you can blink. It is a seamless mechanical rhythm. Lined up on cold trays, they head for the deep freeze. Into the tunnel they go. facing a blasting -40 degrees Celsius. That Arctic wind freezes the water content instantly. Look closely at the surface. You can see that frost locking in the shape, turning soft cream into solid bars. They emerge rock hard and perfectly shaped. A mechanical gripper gently lifts entire rows right out of the molds. Now they're hanging like an army of ice cream, marching upside down. A puff of air cleans off any loose frost, and they align perfectly, approaching the most satisfying dip of the day. Here's the molten heart of the factory. Rich chocolate swirls in the vat, and we dump in those crunchy almond pieces. It's a thick, nutty bath. Watch this moment. Thousands of cold bars plunging deep into the warm chocolate all at once. It's mesmerizing. As they rise, the excess chocolate drips away, leaving just the right amount clinging to the bar. Look at that texture. The cold core snaps the warm shell shut instantly. You can actually see the color shift from a wet gloss to that classic dry matte finish we all recognize. They take a victory lap on the overhead rail to fully set. Then a gentle release mechanism drops them onto the belt. Perfectly aligned, zero cracks. Close up, you can see every bump of almond under the shell. It's literally a river of chocolate-covered happiness flowing toward the exit. It's a race to the finish now. The wrappers spin and zip. The machine clothes each bar in seconds. Heat bars seal the deal, cutting them into individual packs. A quick slide down the chute, and a sensor weighs every single one to make sure nobody gets a light treat. Mechanical arms sweep the packs into boxes with incredible rhythm. No robot hands, just pure engineering. The boxes are glued shut, dated, and stacked. A machine builds the pallet layer by layer. It's a non-stop dance of efficiency. Finally, the forklift whisks the pallet away into the giant freezer. Stacked high in the sub-zero air, they wait for delivery trucks. And just like that, the heavy door closes on our icy adventure. From liquid milk to a perfect treat. What a journey!